श्री जयंत बसुमतारी जी, आप बोलिए, माइक आ जाएगा, आप बोलिएगा।
Sir, I am speaking about Bodo Peace Accord 2020. Sir, today my inner conscience is faced with troubling questions. Are accords with various groups of Northeast India, particularly the 6 scheduled councils, done to solve problems or to continue those problems? Recently, our UPPL party president Pramod Bora had also reflected that the peace accords are not just an election manifesto, but a solemn covenant written in the blood of martyrs, underscoring the sacrifices made during the decades of struggle in Bodoland. The people of Bodoland are filled with anguish due to the unfulfilled promises granting ST Hill status to the Bodos living in Karbi Anglong and Nansi Hill district of Assam as per clause 6.1 of the Bodo Peace Accord 2020, and the withdrawing of cases of Ranjan Daimari and his companions as per clause 9.4, who are still languishing in jail today. Sir, I am placing my demand. It is in this regard.
Well, sir.
Also, I demanded the government of India to expeditiously provide additional power to the Bodoland Territorial Region and the other autonomous district council under paragraph 3B of the 6th schedule by tabling and passing the Constitution 125th Amendment Bill 2019. Thank you, sir.